Okay, so let's get into the deals that I did today. I got 2 of the Tide Pods at $4.94, and then I picked up 2 bottles of the Tide 30 ounce. Next, I added the 2 bottles of Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and they were buy one get one free at $2.99. And I got 2 of the Lysol all-purpose cleaners, buy one get one free at $5.99. I ended up getting, I'm showing that I'm picking up 2, but I ended up just getting 1 of the Dawn dish detergent 7 ounce for $9.99. And then I got 2 of the 80 count Lysol wipes and buy one get one free, and they were $8.24. And these are the coupons that I used, a 10 off of 40 cleaners, household cleaners, and I only used 1 of each of these, 50 cents off the Lysol and 50 cents off the toilet bowl cleaner. And then my total after taking off the buy one free items came to $43.22, and then once my coupons were taken off, it came to $29.18. I did spend $30 on select items, and I got back a $10 gift card for doing that deal, which made my final balance $19.18. Not bad for all those cleaning supplies.